Hi, this is the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on Android 14. So open first the settings, then tap to network and internet, to the sounds and vibration settings. Here you'll see media, call, ring, notification, and alarm volume panels. Just to change them, we should swipe to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. Here we got the Don't Disturb mode section. We could turn it on or turn it off by tap on this button to allow calls, messages, notifications from anyone, someone, from just contacts, to set the schedule, to change the duration for quick settings, and to display options for hidden notifications. We could change the phone ringtone, to activate and turn off the live captions, to turn on and turn off the adaptive sound, to use now playing option. In media section we could pin media player, show media on lock screen, and to show media recommendations with the help of all of the swatchers. Let's go back. Here we got vibration and haptics, and we could turn them on or turn them off, and just to change the level of ring, notification, and alarm vibrations, go back. And also we could activate and turn off the shortcut to private ringing, to change default notification and alarm sounds, and in dial buttons section we could turn on and turn off and in this down section we could turn on and turn off the dial button, screen lock, unlock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, and always show icon in vibration mode. So to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should use all of the switchers. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.